Why shouldn't I be stopped from buying this? That's the question every man, every young man, every boy should learn. You got that autopilot switch when you see something you want and you know you just got paid and you got money, you go out and buy it. I know a guy who used to do that all the time. He would just go out and buy stuff and then he will return it.
What did I just do? I have nothing left. I have nothing left.
You need to be able to do that before you buy it and say, I don't need that. I don't need that. And the way you defend your purchases is knowing, okay, is this thing going to pay me back that I'm buying? Is it going to pay me back the money? Am I going to be able to make money from buying this? Number two, is it for my family's security? You know, is it something my family has to have? Does it help my family run more smoothly? Something you're making up? No, you know for sure this is what your family needs. It's for your family security. And number three is something you've been saving. You've been saving for this thing. You've been saving month after month, week after week. Okay, go out and buy it. That's how you defend your purchase. My father was a businessman, an entrepreneur, was successful, but he never taught me about calculating risk. He never taught me to do away with the line, the notion, the phrase, it takes money to make money. No, it takes profits to make money. Risking your hard-earned money on something that's not churning a profit is one of the biggest risks you can make. It's one of the biggest risks, and it's one of the quickest way to get yourself in debt. Teach your son, teach your daughter how to calculate risk, and teach your son or daughter how to walk away from things that aren't making money, even if this is their labor of love. This is their first business they ever started it. If it's not making any money, walk away from that shit like it's a girl with bad breath.
Hey, I couldn't help but notice you. What brings you here today?
Oh, hi. I'm actually just heading to the cafe down the street. It's my favorite spot. You should totally check it out sometime.
They've got to understand that if an idea or if a business venture or if an investment isn't working, the idea of just putting more money into it isn't going to help it work.
Just a little more capital. I can't stop now.
It's not like the stock market. That's maybe the one thing in life, whether it's up or down, you put money into. He never taught me or emphasized hard enough that money is a tool. What is money? That's the question that you need to know first before you can tell your kids anything. Money is just an exchange of value. Back in the day, people used to barter. Now, I just give you money for what I want or what you can do for me. And that's what you have to understand. It's a tool. I used to be in the music business. I used to have my own independent record company, Money Made Records. We did a lot of things on the independent level. And you know the best way to make friends or to make associates in the music business? Money. Because money is a tool. It's a tool. It's just not something you use to buy stuff. It's a tool to use to get the things you want, but most importantly, to have the things you need.